All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to trim up your blue oat. Sometimes this is confused for blue fescue, but they don't like to be cut a lot, especially in the heat. So the first thing you're going to do is check for snakes. So go ahead and get yourself a broomstick, stick it in there. This is a great place. Snakes love to hide in these plants. So now you're just going to cut away any weeds or branches from your nearby trees that are kind of growing through there and just snip those things off. And then you're going to want to remove all of this dead stuff from underneath. So you can do it like this, just lifting it up, but I have a really cool way that will make this way easier. So I'm checking for snakes again before I do this. So I've got my rain boots on just in case there's a snake in there, and you're gonna just lift that up. Just get some twine or some yarn. I've got just like a little Velcro belt here so you can see that dead stuff and get it out of there way better than just lifting it up. Then you're gonna go ahead and come to the top and just trim this very little. These do not like to be cut a whole lot in the heat. So we're just going to go around, trim off a little bit just so that these perk up a little bit more and get the ones that were laying on the ground slightly off of the ground. So just continue this in little sections like this all the way around, and then when you get done, take that thing off and just kind of brush it out a little bit. Give this thing some water and that's going to perk up really quick. So you really want to do this in springtime, but if you forget about it like I did, it's okay to clean this thing up anytime you want. For happy, healthier babies.
I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.